Hello guys, I'm Alan and welcome back to my channel. Let's move to today's demonstration. Firstly, we begin with injections at the outer control support point. Some doctors' injection techniques can lead to problems such as overfilled face. The reason might be they start injecting from the expression area. The expression area is inevitably concentrated in the middle face. Repeated injections can easily cause failures accumulated in the face. Let's emphasize once again the three key principles of injection. First, inject from the top to the bottom. Second, inject from the lateral to medial. Third, inject from deep to superficial. This is the correct sequence for anti-aging injection therapy, which could effectively prevent a puffy face after the procedure. I will start the injection from the queen point first. Find this bony depression point by touching. The filler I used today is the Fillmed volume. Doctors' injecting skills are very important. While injecting with your right hand, use your left hand to lift the queen point up first. Then draw pull back. This syringe is designed very ergonomic for your hands. Additionally, it uses the thin-walled needles. We can see that even though the material has a high viscosity, it still comes out very smoothly. Next, I will perform injections at the support point of the temporal upper septal ligament. This position is in the area along the hairlines. It's the temporal protile branch of the anterior temporal artery, so ensuring injection safety is very important. Let's move to the third support point. It's the ligament support point near the infratemporal septum. This point is also a relatively dangerous area, so it's very necessary to carry out effective aspiration. The fourth support point is the auricular base support point. By injecting at this point, we'll help tighten the zygomatic ligaments and generate the effect of lower the cheekbone and lifting the middle face. Especially for people with high or wide cheekbones, they are not suitable for injections on the cheekbones. We should do a counter control injecting instead. Now the injections at the outer support point are completed. We can take a look in the mirror. A direct compression of the left and right sides of the face. There is a noticeable lift at the outer corner of her eyes on this side. Her eyes were already very large and beautiful. At the same time, the cheekbone has also slightly lowered. From this side, there is a clear enhancement in the jawline control. The model's cheekbone ligament and the tear trough support ligament is already some over volume. No more injections should be done here. But from the side view, she has a typical concave face shape, so we need to do some support injections on the nasal base, maxillary ligament, and mandibular ligament. This way, her nasal base and the chin will get a noticeable elevation to compensate for the lack of facial dimensionalities. We are now performing injections in her nasal base area. The injection technique in this area is very important. Pressuring to the upper edge of the nasal vein with a finger and do aspiration injections into the periosteum. Because we know, firstly, we need to avoid upwards displacement of the piriform. Secondly, this area is right where important blood vessels pass through. Therefore, safe injection techniques are extremely important. Next, we move to the injection point at the mandibular ligament. It's between depression angular oris and the marinate line. Slightly lift the skin and perform a pullback injection. This point only required 0.2 to 0.3 doses. Then would give us a good supportive and lifting effect. Don't forget we also have another classical product from Fillmed. Universal is an anti-aging hyaluronic acid that helps solve superficial aging issue. So it's very effective for facial depressions. Okay, then let's inject some volume here to get a tightening and lifting effect. Again, because it's an anti-aging hyaluronic acid, so there will be a good result for not serious aging. Subscribe to my channel and join me in shaping the future of beauty with painless rejuvenation.